We've got to wash some windows today, so we're going to make a homemade window cleaner that works just as good as the store-bought. Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, we're making another homemade cleaning product. We're going to be making homemade glass cleaner. I'm going to show you how to make a homemade version of Windex that's just as good, and you probably already have all these ingredients to do it at home and make it yourself without having to buy those bottles of Windex. So come on, and we're going to turn around here, and I'm going to show you this fast, simple, easy recipe on how to make homemade Windex. It's a great window cleaner. It even cleans the top of the glass stoves, and I've even used it in the shower on a shower door. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is 2 cups of warm water. So I'm going to put it in the microwave and put it on 1 minute just to heat it up so it will dissolve your other ingredients. Okay, we heated it up for 1 minute. And now we're going to add to that 2 cups of warm water, we're going to add a half a cup of rubbing alcohol. Just your basic rubbing alcohol, a half a cup. Okay, before we start adding the other ingredients to this 2 cups of water, because it won't hold much more, I'm going to go ahead and add that to a mason jar. And y'all can see how I heated it up just a little bit and it's fogging up that mason jar on 1 minute. And now our half a cup of alcohol. And then we're just going to use regular white vinegar. And we're going to do a little over a half a cup of the vinegar. And now the next ingredient is cornstarch. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And you don't have to be perfect, you don't have to level it off or anything, just 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And now we're just going to put our lid on our jar and give all these ingredients a good shake. Now this homemade Windex window cleaner does not turn out blue like your store-bought window cleaner, but it will work just as good. And we're going to go out and we're going to clean a window and see how this window cleaner does. Okay? And I saved my old Windex bottle to put it in. So I'm going to get me a funnel and we're going to pour our homemade Windex in this bottle. Making these homemade products will help you save money and time, because you have all these ingredients probably at home that you can make it yourself and not have to run to the store. And y'all look, that recipe right there is almost the same as that bottle would be. Maybe just a little bit higher. But I like to save these old bottles just for that, to make it yourself. Okay, so now you have some homemade window cleaner. Let's go see how it works. I'm going to use paper towels. You can even use old t-shirts that you cut up for rags to save money. But today I'm going to be using just some white paper towels. Okay, now you cannot hardly see any more streaks. Okay, here's the window after just scrubbing it 1 time. I don't hardly see any more of that film-like buildup. It needs 1 more washing, But this right here is what your homemade window cleaner can do if you make it at home to save money and not have to buy all those bottles of Windex. You can make it with what you have. Homemade glass cleaner.